Him said Jamaicans are so blind, it's amazing. Go and worry about dancehall and keep avoiding the real issues. Sheeps, hashtag sheep, hashtag sleeping wide awake. Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. But they are Sipper, Copper, Cersei, and attacking some Vybz Kartel on Twitter. If you're not following Vybz Kartel on Twitter, you need to be following Vybz Kartel on Twitter. Because the teacher still a teach, you hear me? I could talk about it, man. See ya? Right, so I am here on Vybz Kartel's Twitter page. And the first thing I see when I come on this morning, this was posted on November 8th. Today is November 11th. So you can see the man thing up to the time. I've said this before. I don't know if Vybz Kartel has someone that him confide in, or if him have direct links to him Twitter, or however the thing work out, it is coming through his verified page. Alright? So the man put up one where said 8 picnic, no job, no progress, just straight picnic, no lady. You're going too bad. You know what I say? So even from behind walls where Kartel is behind bars, him speak of 8 picnic, no job, no progress, just straight picnic. No, Lord, woman, you're going too bad. Right? You might let the woman know so what. Kartel is very intelligent, you know. Kartel is a very intelligent individual. He's more about progress. You understand? So the man have picnic and him having woman, so you know say he's about having children as well. He was about picnic as well. But at the same time, for a woman to sit down and have 8 children, no career, no job, no income, right? And then be worried about, especially if she has 8 children by multiple men. And then she's worried later on about which man are going to stick around and who is going to help her to take care of her 8 picnic and them thing there. It might make we know say that's not progress. Lady, you are going too bad. Right? But see the next one where him say, and some of them gun boy I forget gunshot too. Cause a be a picnic them a kill and woman. All a rape the people them girl picnic. Yup. Them for dead for real. Alright? So here he is speaking about how the place are run red. Especially I notice him say gun boy them. Not gun man. You understand? Gun boy them because them boy are no man, them a boy picnic. Men in body, boy in them brain. Right? Because grown men don't think like how them boy I think. A little picnic thing so and unable to control their urges. Right? So Kartel make we know say yeah, them gun boy some of them forget gunshot because a be a picnic them a kill. And woman. All a rape people girl picnic. Yup. Them for dead for real. You know where he stands on that, right? That is kind of self-explanatory. Which is the same way I feel like the little youth were up on the bus the other day. We're going to get into that. Watch this. Gunman are hiding in vendors' stalls. Can vendors tell gunman what to do? Babylon love act like them don't know the dynamics of the ghetto. Yo, Vybz Kartel was too real. That's why they did have to lock him up. SouFLoTV audience, the ones that are watching this, I want you to A, go and find his Twitter page and subscribe. If you don't have Twitter, at least log on and read through some of the things that the man is leaving on there, because he might not be here as in him can sit down with a Winfred Williams and give you a full interview right away, or Mr. Anthony Miller upon ER or Winfred on stage and give you an interview right away. But he is very much speaking to us through his Twitter page. You know what I say? Gunman can hide in a vendor's. The man said gunman are hiding in a vendor's stalls. Can vendors tell gunman what to do? Babylon love going like them to understand the dynamics of the ghetto. In other words, it might make we know say gunman are hiding in a vendor's stall long blood clot time. But the problem is bigger than just the vendor. Because the vendor there are just try to do some vending, sell some food and something and take care of them family. You understand? Most of them don't even have nothing to do with no gunman, nothing. Them are just vendors, right? So when a gunman come through and a gunman say, yeah, so am my business place as much as it's yours, so you want to sell your food, and in your stall, me I go hide. What can you say? You say no, then fine, you're dead out there. There's no one around to protect these vendors from these gunmen, from extortion and all these other things. So that speaks to a bigger problem within itself then. And that is what VYBZ Kartel is talking about. Gunmen are hiding at vendors' stalls. Can vendors tell gunmen what to do? Babylon love act like them no know the dynamics of the ghetto. Like them no know. Them love act like them no know. They well know exactly what is going on and how the place run. You understand? So if them really want to take care of the problem, they would put certain things in place that certain people can live a secured lifestyle, or at least vend in peace without being at the mercy of these gunmen and no protection from law enforcement then. Alright? Me I go say it that way then. Here's another one. These are all things we are going through from VYBZ Kartel Twitter page. And you can listen to each one of them, take in what you want to take in from it, interpret it the way you want to interpret it, SouFLoTV audience, and go down there in the comment section and make we talk about it. May I say it again? The teacher is very much still teaching. Now people don't know, so them call VYBZ Kartel a teacher because him always a teach. And him not only teach, some of the things that him teach, yeah, some people are going to come on them moral high horse and say a fuck about a reality in teach. Right? Like when them talk about girl forget body. Everybody has said, oh, he's too raunchy and all this. Alright now, Jamaica full up of videos of boy I so good now. So what am I going to say now? One time him did a burn out all that. What are y'all going to say now? Huh? So, I can't say, I don't know why. I don't know why grown people are so afraid to talk about sex or feel like say something what the youth them don't know about. You know, so say youth them are fucking at school, pan school desk. Eh? I don't see that. So you're not hiding anything from the children. The children know probably more than what you know. A time for we come out and discuss these things fully. A time for we reveal certain things. It's time for us to lift the veils from off of certain things and let it be known worldwide and to society, especially to our society in Jamaica, that this is normal and this is outside of normal. This is accepted and this is unacceptable. Or if we're going to coexist, this is how we go on. Yeah, so these are the consequences of these things. You understand? Kartel been doing these things. That's why I have so much respect. That's why them call him teacher. Right? So upon the teacher, Twitter me there. And we'll just go into our next one. The man said, school children are being robbed and murderers in the streets. Listen, listen. Wait, let me say something before me read that one here. If you notice, on his Twitter page, he is commenting on current situations. Now people are going to say, yo, SouFLoTV, you bait up him Twitter page, man, because now them are going to pre the thing and them are going to say, yo, you must have a phone in there or something. Listen, law enforcement monitors social media more than SouFLoTV does. So if it is out here already, more than likely, this is somebody that VYBZ Kartel trusts with his thoughts as far as him say what go on, or this is someone that understands him to the level where them can say, yeah man, this him would have said because I know how to talk already, right? So leave the ignorance out of it, please, and just address the bigger picture. These things that are being addressed, because these are serious social issues that no one else out here is talking about. But Kartel, even behind bars, continue to talk about serious social issues, continue to address serious social issues that are affecting the country of Jamaica. Like, school children are being robbed. I'm reading this directly from his Twitter page. Him said, school children are being robbed and murdered in the streets. Now the police want to search children. Laugh out loud. Jamaica one different country. Jano. School children are being robbed and murdered in the streets and now the police them want to search children. Laugh out loud. Jamaica one different country. Check it out. If you don't know, let me tell you not the demographics but the angles to this. So I'm here in Florida, United States of America, right? When me get news from Jamaica, it come through many different angles to me. Right? Whether it's people on the ground, boots on the ground, or it come through social media network, or it come through some people I ring me and say, yo, SouFLoTV, me I send you something, do something on this. That's how it goes for me, right? Now, I saw a story the other day that says children, 2 youth, 15 or 16 or something like that, got found, were searched in Spanish Town and arrested after 2 guns were found by the 2 of them, a 15 and a 16-year-old, something like that, right? A little youth on the bus the other day will get stabbed up for him cell phone and them something there. First of all, these children that are being killed in the streets, right? You must understand that the other children around them are traumatized. The children in Jamaica are traumatized when things like this start to happen. So, if a youth get killed, because Jamaica is not that big, if a little youth get killed on a bus in a public transportation, a big grown-ass man go take him off of a bus, stab him for him cell phone, fling him off of the bus and broke him hand and him dead from the stab wounds. You understand? You think that does not traumatize the minds of our children, or are we so desensitized to violence and desensitized to us killing each other and us dying that when we see a next one happen, we turn a blind eye? Kartel still addressing these issues. The man says school children are being robbed, and look at who the police gonna search now. The police now stop and search up big people where kill off the picnic them. The police them start search up the picnic them because them know say what? The picnic them are going to get afraid, so the picnic them are going to start to arm themselves to protect themselves. So them show one picture of one little machete to then take off a one youth. Them show one picture of a knife for them take off a next youth. And then them say 2 youth, them get gun take off of them, but they don't show no picture of the gun. Not saying that they didn't take it off of them, but they could very well be armed. Because if me live in a place where I have gun, and my youth them have to go walk street, if Tafari reach 15, 16, I'm going to teach him how to use that shit and give him one for lock. And make him know, say, yo, you know, pull this out for going like you're no bad man for nobody. But you see, if one big man approach you and a big man want either rape you off, dry you, go away a bush, assault you, come out with him knife, but give me your cell phone, him want to stab you up, bust it in a blood clot face. Plain and simple. The children are going to start to arm themselves, to protect themselves, but are the children them now get searched. The police them now stop and search up big people. And that's the angle that Kartel come from with this. Moving right along right now. I'm going to do one more off on Twitter page. I'm telling you, go check out VYBZ KARTEL Twitter. The thing lit. You understand? So the only thing that people want to hear from VYBZ KARTEL Twitter one time, we grab a story where say, my wife, me and Shorty just break up. That shit got thousands of views in one day. When time you are talking about issues, social, moral issues that are plaguing Jamaica, watch how little bit of people tune in. Anyway, so, in closing of this video, we're not going to go no further, we're going to sum this one up. Jamaicans are so blind, it's amazing. Go and worry about dancehall and keep avoiding the real issues. Straight off of VYBZ KARTEL Twitter page. Check it. Go and worry about dancehall and avoid the real issues. The real issues, people love to blame dancehall. Dancehall has become the scapegoat for so many persons of political power and so many persons of the upper echelon. When them want to say society get frig up, them look to the dancehall artists them for say them a frig up the minds of the youths and these things. When in reality, all the dancehall artists them, they are artists and the art is depicting their reality surrounding them. So they end up punishing the people who are talking about what's actually going on around them, right? Whether they're glorifying it or not, they're talking about what is going on in our society and around them. You understand? So, and a dancehall forget the blame, a society forget the blame, and those who rule and lead in that society need to fix up. That's what I want. You understand? So, a SouFLoTV man, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm going to see if I can put the link, direct link to him Twitter in the comment section down there. So I'm gonna see if I can put the link. I'm gonna check it and see if the link did it. Alright? Right now I copy the link and I'm gonna put it in there. I SouFLoTV wanna come talk up the things. I'm out of here and I don't know what to say already. What? Free VYBZ KARTEL. For the people that are asking what's going on with VYBZ KARTEL's appeal, I've done a couple of videos on those already. I've even done scenarios on what if. Like, what if his whole lawyer team is actually working with those who want to keep him incarcerated and him himself don't even know it. It's a paranoid situation. I broke down the laws and how the laws run and who is in charge of what and where is the Supreme Court located, governing Jamaica, and which part him appeal case have to go, who's going to sit on it. If you pay attention to SouFLoTV, you will know this already. Alright? Big up on yourself, man. I'm out of here. Peace.